Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and the lock I have for today is this monstrously looking cylinder. It was created in the Soviet Union back in the 1970s, and I think the design of this lock is heavily inspired by the lock that was made by a company named Iseo. I don't have one of those to show you, but it's very similar. It's very heavy, but it doesn't feel very solid. I think it's made of some kind of alloy. If you look at the key, you can see these parts sticking out that push on the pins that are inside the lock. The principle of operation of this lock is very similar to that of a tubular lock, but we have this weird shape instead of the tubular keyway. If we look at the lock more closely, I'll try to show it to you. We can see the pins in each of the corners of this keyway. There are 6 pins that have to be pushed by the key, so it definitely is like a tubular lock. Let's see the key operating this lock. It's a little bit rusty. It really takes some effort to push the key and to rotate the lock, even if the key is the right one. The main problem that I had while picking this lock was tensioning it. And to simplify this, I came up with a tool like that one. It fits into this keyway and allows the core to be properly tensioned. I have to say that we cannot tension this lock from the outside, because this outer plate doesn't rotate, and the part that actually rotates sits inside the lock at a depth of about 1 cm. As usual with these locks, I will use my broken pick to pick it open. I have packaging for this lock, and it says that it's very high secure. Well, let's test it and see how secure this lock really is. And we got this lock open. You can see its tailpiece rotates. And we dropped into a position where we will have to pick it one more time. And actually, it's very difficult to pick this lock further than the first position, because the pins are blocked by the outer casing of the cylinder. For the purpose of this video, I have a better idea, but we will disassemble the lock and see what's inside. The core is held by these two screws. Let's unscrew it. I can feel the pressure of the springs here. The screws are covered in paint for better resistance, I think. Here you can see these springs. And the back part, nothing interesting here. The springs are very strong. I think it's made of steel. And the springs are all the same, like this one. Here are the springs. Let's take this. So here are the springs. And here we have pins, very big ones. Let's pull out the drivers. Driver 1. I will arrange it like that. The pins are on both sides, so I will arrange one side and another side a little bit apart from each other. What a big driver here. Let's not mess it up. This one doesn't want to come out. Okay, we'll check it later. Let's dump. Oh, another spring. Okay, let's dump the key pins. So here it is. Got one key pin from. Okay, it's here. Just one key pin here. To extract other pins, we will rotate the core a little bit. I think with this thing, or maybe better with the key. Here it is aligned. Let let me show you the close-up of all these parts inside the lock. I think I have to buy a pinning tray actually, or make one, maybe myself. It was an unusual and nice lock. As for today, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please tap like, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in comments. Have a good evening, stay safe, and see you in the next video.